Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're testing a PCM from a 2011 Ram 1500 with a 5.7 liter Hemi. The customer sent it in because the alternator is not charging. That's a common failure, usually caused by a bad internal driver inside the PCM. In this video, I'll show you how we pre-test the PCM on the bench. We're going to try to activate the alternator output and confirm the failure. Then we'll go ahead and repair the PCM off camera and retest it to make sure it's fixed. We've got the PCM hooked up right here. We got our custom PCM tester and the diagnostic tool VCI hooked up right here. Let's go ahead and try to get everything in frame here. Got a good 5-volt reference, and the ASD relay is good, or the output to the ASD relay. Alright, we're going to go ahead and go to active test, and then find the alternator. Field duty cycle. No. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and try to activate it. So this is the ASD output that's required to test this. Here's the alternator, and we got nothing. Let's go to full duty cycle. Still nothing. To be sure, let's go ahead and test the evap and the EGR. Right there, the evap. It's very dim. Here it is, quite a bit brighter. That's only 50% duty cycle, that's why it's dim. And I don't believe this vehicle has an EGR, so we can't even test that. It doesn't have the output or the driver installed. So we will go ahead and get this PCM apart and replace the driver. There's several videos on YouTube on how to do it, but due to the thermal properties of this PCM, it does require some pretty specialized equipment. The people that do it online make it look easy, but I assure you it is not that easy to pull that driver off and get it replaced without damaging the circuit board. So we're going to go ahead and get that unit repaired, and we'll show you the end results. Here's the PCM with the new driver. This is the faulty driver. I got it replaced. As you can see. So this driver controls the EGR, the evap, and the alternator. And as you can see, it's missing a diode right here, so that's for the EGR. That diode would be installed if the vehicle was equipped with EGR. That's why there was no option in the scan tool to test it. So let's get this thing plugged in. And there it is, 10% duty cycle, 30, and 50. Working as it should. Make sure all the outputs on the driver are good. Alright, so that repair was successful. We're going to get it wrapped up and get it shipped back to the customer. So that wraps it up for this video. This PCM is good to go and will be heading back to the customer. If you're dealing with an no charge issue or other PCM faults, we can help. Click the link in the description to visit our website and start your repair order today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.